Aunty Star, and my name's Aunty Song, and today we're going to make a joyful noise! Hooray! Now let's see what's in the basket. Oh, it's a pair of gloves! Now, what song could this link to? Well, a song about being careful with your hands. Be careful, little hands, what you do. Oh, brilliant, okay.
Be careful, little hands, what you do. Be careful, little hands, what you do. God the Father's up above and He's looking down in love. So be careful, little hands, what you do. Be careful, little feet, where you go. Be careful, little feet, where you go. God the Father's up above and He's looking down in love. So be careful, little feet, where you go. Be careful, little ears, what you hear. Be careful, little ears, what you hear. God the Father's up above and He's looking down in love. So be careful, little ears, what you hear. Be careful, little mouth, what you say. Be careful, little mouth, what you say. God the Father's up above and He's looking down in love. So be careful, little mouth, what you say. Be careful, little eyes, what you see. Be careful, little eyes, what you see. God the Father's up above and He's looking down in love. So be careful, little eyes, what you see. Be careful, little head, what you think. Be careful, little head, what you think. God the Father's up above and He's looking down in love. So be careful, little head, what you think.
In that song, it said God the Father's up above and He's looking down in love, which is true. He's always watching us and He knows exactly what we're doing and where we're going and what we're thinking. So we need to be careful and make sure that we don't do anything that's going to make God sad. Well, it's goodbye from us, Aunty Star
And Aunty Song.
And remember, God is always watching us because He loves us so much. Bye!
Bye.